Hello, my dear friends. My name is Riya. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about my day yesterday. It was a very happy and peaceful day because I went to the beach with my family. Yesterday morning, I woke up early at 6 a.m. I felt very excited because we planned a beach trip. My mother was in the kitchen. She was making breakfast and packing food for us. My father was getting the car ready. My sister was also very happy. We left our home at 8 a.m. The weather was nice and cool. On the way, we listened to music and talked a lot. I looked outside the window and saw trees, shops, and people. It was a beautiful morning. After 2 hours, we reached the beach. When I saw the sea, I felt very happy. The water was blue and the sky was clear. I removed my shoes and walked on the soft sand. It felt very nice. My sister and I ran towards the water. The waves came and touched our feet. The water was cold, but fun. We laughed a lot. My father took many photos of us. My mother was smiling and watching us. After some time, we sat together and ate the food my mother made. The food was very tasty. We shared everything and talked happily. I felt very relaxed at that moment. Then we played games. We made a sand castle together. My sister made a small house, and I made a tower. The waves came and broke it. But we laughed again. It was funny and enjoyable. In the evening, the sky became orange and pink. The sunset was very beautiful. I stood quietly and watched the sun go down. I felt peaceful and calm. It was a special moment for me. Before leaving, we walked slowly on the beach. I looked at the sea again and thought, this is a very beautiful place. I felt thankful for this day. We came back home at night. I was very tired, but very happy. Yesterday was one of the best days of my life. I will always remember this beach trip. Thank you for listening.